Welcome to the blog she wrote review of the CurrClick Live format. Today, J7 and I-10 are taking a science gym class from CurrClick Live. This is the third CurrClick Live class we've done. We did 2 cooking classes a few years ago, which we had our laptop in the kitchen and we were working in there. Today they're taking a science gym class on static electricity, and I thought I would let you see how we set up our space here at home so that we can do the occasional live class. So over here, this is our dining room in our home, but it's really our homeschool computer room. We have a set of desktop computers here. One is newer than the other, so they can perform different tasks. One is for mostly surfing and researching, and the other one does more video and things like that because it's newer, it has a faster processor. We have all the accoutrements, a special mouse for young kids, we have a digital microscope. Over here we have the printer and all the things that go with the computer. This is our dining room, so we have space in the middle for a table that we don't normally have. And over here is where my laptop and blogging happens. So right now the kids are using my laptop. We do have a laptop on that chair over there, and it is new for the kids. It's another hand-me-down computer that we've formatted for them to use for stop-motion animation or NXT robot things that they can do down in our basement. So today I thought it would be fun to pull up the card table, and they're using my laptop since it's just easy for them to have table space, and also to use my laptop because I had the login information all ready to go. But the card table is pretty portable. It allows both boys to have some table space, and so we're not right here at the desktop place where there's not a whole lot of room for working. So if you've never done a CurrClick Live class before, just a little bit about the format. They use Adobe Connect, which is a really easy format for online classes. Right now, Science Gym he's minimized his picture, he's talking to the kids, and he's using the whiteboard in the middle where he's explaining things to them. On the left-hand side, you can see that there's a chat box there, and he can ask questions, and the kids can type in their answers and interact with him that way. Having used Adobe Connect for other things, I know that there's the option for a camera if that's what the teacher wants to do. I imagine that with CurrClick Live, many times it's a non-camera situation for the homeschoolers, and they're just watching the computer and watching the teacher and interacting with the chat box. And so if you haven't done that before, it's really easy to do once you get it all set and ready to go. My advice is to have that login information and kind of practice it ahead of time and see if you can get to the classroom space ahead of time so that you're not pressed for time in getting in there. So I thought I would just show you around a little bit. Hope you enjoy reading the review and seeing how somebody can set up. And if you don't have a card table, then maybe just the laptop at the kitchen table works for you. But this is how we have done it here. The kids are enjoying the class, and I hope you have enjoyed seeing a close-up of how it works when you're watching and taking an online class.